In today's video, I'll show you how to create an envelope in DocuSign, an essential skill if you're sending or signing documents electronically. Let's dive right in. First, head to DocuSign.com and click the Login button at the top right. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard, the central hub for all your documents. From here, click Start to begin creating a new envelope. Now upload the file you want to send, either drag and drop or browse your computer to select it. Next, add your recipients. Enter their names and email addresses carefully and set the signing order if you need the document signed step by step. Now comes the fun part, tagging your document. Drag and drop signature, date, or text fields into the exact spots where information is required. Once everything looks good, review your envelope, then hit Send. DocuSign will deliver it instantly, and you can track progress right from your dashboard. And that's it. You've just created and sent an envelope in DocuSign. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.